Hello guys, on a Peugeot 407 I want to receive the service interval, so you need to keep press this button, the check or button, and turn on the ignition. It's very hard to do this with one hand, but I will try it in another way. So I keep push the button and rotate the ignition. Let's do it again. Press the check button and rotate the ignition. Now you have the count 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the service interval is on 0. Turn off the ignition, turn on again, and you have reset the service interval. Bye guys.